In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a wish list feature to your Shopify store. This is a great tool to enhance customer experience by allowing visitors to save products for future purchase consideration. So let's dive into the process of setting up a wish list using an app from the Shopify App Store. First, you'll need to find the right wish list app for your needs. Head over to the Shopify App Store and type in Wishlist Apps in the search bar. As you browse through the options, you'll come across popular choices like Wishlist Plus by Swim Corporations, Wishlist King, and Wishlist Engine. Each app has its unique features and pricing plans, so take some time to read through the descriptions and reviews. Once you've settled on the app that best fits your store's design and requirements, go ahead and install it. After the app is installed, the next step is to configure the Wishlist button. This involves customizing the way the button looks and where it appears on your store's product pages. You might want to select a universally recognized icon, like a heart, to signify the wish list. Consider choosing a color that complements your store's theme. Additionally, you'll need to decide on its placement, be it as a floating button within the navigation menu or even as a header menu item. This step ensures that the button is easily noticeable and accessible for your customers. Once you've configured the button to your liking, make sure to enable the app within your Shopify theme editor. This crucial step allows the wishlist function to appear and operate effectively on your storefront. Without enabling it, your customers won't see the button or be able to interact with it. For those of you who want to take it a step further, many wishlist apps offer optional customizations. You can add unique features such as social sharing options, which allow customers to share their wish list with friends and family. You may also choose to customize labels or enable nudge features that can remind customers about their saved items. Don't hesitate to explore these advanced settings if you think they could benefit your store. Now, it's time to test everything thoroughly. This involves checking each aspect of the wishlist function, adding products to the wishlist, accessing the wishlist, and transferring items from the wishlist to the shopping cart. This testing phase will help you ensure that your customers will experience a seamless interaction with the wishlist feature. As you go through these steps, keep a few key considerations in mind. Firstly, understand the difference between free and paid plans offered by wishlist apps and choose accordingly. Also, notice that customers typically need to have an account and be logged in to save their wish lists. Lastly, given the popularity of mobile shopping, it's essential to confirm that the wishlist functionality works flawlessly on mobile devices. By paying attention to these key considerations, you'll help provide a smooth and professional user experience for your store visitors.